And now we've got the F-16 going out. One of the nicest looking formidable aircraft that you will ever see. What you have to think is, it's not a new aeroplane, the full size, the design of the F-16. The F-16 is quite an old aircraft. Probably been in service now for 20 plus years and still looks as good as anything you will see in a fighter aeroplane. There we go. Lovely control takeoff. The ring you see around the back isn't a fire coming out of the turbine. It's LEDs to simulate the full size on max thrust. Just such a wonderful aeroplane.
Sounds awesome, doesn't it?
Just one of those aeroplanes you enjoy watching them fly. So smooth, so controlled. When they designed this one, they got it right.
The range.
Beautiful slow roll. Just pulls the bank, takes it round in the circuit. See, such an elegant jet, so beautifully flown, controlled.
Vulcan's about to take off.
Lovely display. So just to try and put into perspective what these miniature turbines look like, basically when you look at them, the cylinder, it's around about 8 inches long for the front of the turbine. So there we are, brilliant display. Nice round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the F-16 and of course the pilot.